Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today, and yes, I have a case from UAG, their Pathfinder series, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I have a UAG case, Urban Armored Gear case for your Galaxy S9 Plus. It's actually that Pathfinder series. You can get this from their website. I will have a link in the description. So if you want to get this, you can definitely pick it up from their website. UAG makes some of the best cases that you can actually use on any cell phone. But just look at the presentation of the box. There you go. It says rugged, lightweight, drop tester protection. It's the Pathfinder series. Look, you have a drop tested there too and approved. Guy on a bike. But if you want to pause the video, you can actually pause the video and read that too. But the presentation, man, on point. I love how easy they make it open. But let's see what you get. Let's check out the case. Alright, so you have a little brand in there, UAG. And also on the inside, look at that. And their little honeycomb pattern thing for, you know, protection there. But let's go over the case. You have your volume rockers. Then you have your Ridge Bigsby button. Then look, you have some grip right there to hold the phone. Bottom, you have your headphone jack, your USB Type-C. The microphone and the speaker is cut into one, which is cool. Then you also have your Ridge power button over here, which is great at the top. That's your cutout for your microphone too. Then look at the camera cutout. Man, that's... Alright, so let's see how this thing fits. Ooh, that fit good. I could just tell it fit good, but let's definitely look. Power button works. Easy to find too, because it has that little ridge on there. The Bigsby button, I'm not even going to press it because I have it turned off. But the volume rockers work. It's great. Let's check out look at the cutout for the microphone. Oh, first thing too is look at the lip. So you put your phone down. Look, you can, like I said, you can see the display going on. Same thing with the camera hump. Look, man. And then also on the sides, on the corners here, look at the corners. You have that protection, so you have that drop protection option there. Won't, you don't have to worry about your phone. But look, man, look at that case. So look at the bottom, look at the cutouts again. You have your headphones, the USB Type-C, and the speaker and the microphone all works great. So yeah, I mean, this is definitely a great case from UAG. Again, if you want to pick this up from UAG's website, I will have the link in the description. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage coming up with more cases, more videos, comparisons, everything coming up with the Galaxy S9 Plus. And until next time, peace. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy your day.